73 F-250 trailer special. We're going to do a cold start on it. Truck hasn't been fired in 2 days. Yeah, well, which one are we going to grab here? All right. No burning hands. Temp gauge. No, idiot. Temp gauge. All right. I don't like the chokes hooked up on fast idle. I like to be my own idle speed. Panels, custom seat cover, original floor mat, no tears, beautiful dash. .268 hydraulic cam. Dual exhaust. All new. Line of bed. Very nice running, driving truck. No expense spared on building. New all metal radiator, granny cooler, condenser, R134 converted, rotary compressor, blows nice and cold. New battery. Endless amounts of new parts. MSD, new MSD distributor. Over and out.